Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In our last video we talked about matter. What is matter? Matter means it is occupy space and have mass. In other words, it is have mass and volume. And now we are gonna learn about the physical nature of matter. Physical nature of matter. Matter is made up of particles. We have to find out how matter is made up of particles. For a long time, two schools of thought prevailed regarding the nature of matter. There were two schools who thought that there is different uh, nature of matter. One school believed that matter continues like, whereas other thought that it is like particles of sand. It means that I will show you here. One school thought that it is a block of wood. This is this is matter, and while the other thought that it is like a small particles like sand. Now we have to prove that which one is true. Okay, so getting back to it, let us perform an activity to decide about the nature of matter. Is it continuous or is it particulate? It is in particles. So activity 1.1, take a 100 ml beaker, fill half the beaker with water and mark the level of water. We have to take a beaker, we have to fill it with water and we have to mark the level of water. Now dissolve some salt or sugar with the help of glass rod. We have to add salt in it, and with the help of a spoon, and then we have to stir it with the help of the glass rod. Observe any change in water level. Now we have to see if there is any change in the water level. Do you think has happened to the salt? So now when we add the salt in it, the salt gets dissolved in it, and so if it is dissolves in it, then you can't see the salt. So here they have asked the question, where does it disappear? So where did it go? Does the level of water change? Water level has not changed here. And here what has happened is that salt particles have came in between the particles of water. In order to answer this question, we need to use the idea that matter is made up of particles. We are going to assume that matter is made up of particles. What was there in the spoon, salt or sugar, has now spread throughout the water. So whatever salt or sugar we have taken, it has spread inside the water. Look, particles of water magnified millions of times. Here there are so many particles of water, then we added salt and then we stir it with the glass rod, and then what happened that particles of salt get in between the water like this. This is water particles and salt particles are between them. Now as we know that water is a liquid, and between liquid in the between liquid there is some space. In liquid there is some space between the particles, and in that space salt came inside it. Okay. So when we dissolve salt in water, the particles of salt get into the spaces between particles of water. Now, how small are these particles of matter? We are going to talk about it in the next video. Thank you.